Beautiful day with Samm the Contractor, 43 years in the industry. Why am I so successful? If you follow my videos, one of the reasons is the beautiful gray attache. You know what? I gotta get a little WD-40 here. We gotta put some respect on the gray attache. And people say, Samm, what is in the gray attache? Well, you know what? I'm gonna now unbox and open the gray attache, and this is one of the things that has made me so successful. Let me show you here, bear with me. This is the gray attache. We've got here the color wave. Look at the color wave. This is different aluminum we can use. Of course, we've got some beautiful different stucco here, stucco options. And of course, don't sleep on the, bear with me, on the gorgeous Gentech. The Gentech samples for the attache. And of course, we've got K-Can, because you know you can when you go with K-Can. Anyways, this is the gray attache. This is what Samm the Contractor will show up with the clients. This brings us business. This is, I bring the showroom to the clients. This is what we call the gray attache. I've got my schmata. I have to clean the attache. I have to put more respect on this attache. You know who it is.